Okay, y'all, let's get into this sleepy time tea real quick. First, we're going to start out with just one part of some beautiful skull cap, something to get the nerves good and relaxed. That's what that skull cap can do for you. Cheap ingredients. Then we got some catnip. Pairs very, very well with skull cap. That's one part also. Then let's go ahead and add a little bit of chamomile in there. Make sure you just do one part of the chamomile as well. Shake it up in there just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and add some butterfly pea flower. This one is going to turn your tea blue. It is, first of all, very hard to open up the bag, unfortunately, but we got it open. Thank you, Jesus. And it smells good. Go ahead and sprinkle that in there. Get that bag back closed. And shake everything up, and there you go. Your sleepy time tea. Just drop you a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons in some hot water, and it is sleepy time, sleepy time.